Welcome to Stay Fit channel. We are the number weight loss and fitness channel. We ensure that you get the required information that will help you stay fit and lose weight fast. In this video, we would be looking at foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we'll drop amazing videos like this. Let's get into the video. The ketogenic diet has become popular. Studies have found that this very low-carb high-fat diet is effective for weight loss, diabetes, and epilepsy. There's also early evidence to show that it may be beneficial for certain cancers, Alzheimer's disease, and other diseases, too. Still, higher quality research on the diet is still needed to determine its long-term safety and efficacy. A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Foods to eat. You should base the majority of your meals around these foods. 1. Meat, red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel. 3. Eggs, pastured or omega-3 whole eggs. 4. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. 5. Cheese, unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. 6. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. 7. Healthy oils, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. 8. Avocados, whole avocados or freshly made guacamole. 9. Low-carb veggies, green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices. It's best to base your diet mostly on whole, single-ingredient foods. Here's a list of 44 healthy low-carb foods. Neurological, or insulin-related diseases. Foods to avoid. Any food that's high in carbs should be limited. Here's a list of foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on a ketogenic diet. Sugary foods, soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. Grains or starches, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. Fruit, all fruit, except small portions of berries like strawberries. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Root vegetables and tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, etc. Low-fat or diet products, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. Some condiments or sauces, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, etc. And unhealthy fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, mixed drinks. Click on the link below this video. Hope you have learned something from this video. Drop your comment on what you like or dislike about the video. Subscribe, like, and share this video to reach millions of people who are suffering from this problem. See you in the next video. Bye and remain blessed.